easy go.
Hi guys, so our video today is on Windows deployment services. Now I'll just tell you what Windows deployment services is. It's a revised version of remote installation services. Basically what Windows deployment services does is that it enables the deployment of Windows operating systems. So basically you could use Windows deployment services to set up new clients with a network-based installation without requiring that administrators visit each computer or install directly from CD or DVD media. So to get started, we want to start the installation process of Windows deployment services. So we are now going to our server machine here. As you can see, I'm already logged into server 2008, so we're going to go into server manager, rules, and we want to go into add rules. We're going to look for Windows deployment services right here. We're going to make sure that by default it's supposed to be checked, but if it isn't, we're going to make sure we select both deployment server and the transport server. I'm going to click next, and we're going to start the installation process. So I'll cut back when the installation is finished. Alright, so now that the installation is completed, we just want to close this. I'm going to click roles here, go down to Windows deployment services, press this button here on the server. Okay, so this server, what we're going to do is we're going to configure server. So you click that. Of course you want to read this requirement right here. It says click next. Do not want, gonna check this thing here, do not listen on port 67, and click next. We want to respond to all client computers. So Windows deployment services to configure. Okay, so it's completed. We're gonna click finish. Now I'm just gonna click boot images here. As you can see, there are no items here, so what we're gonna do is just add boot image. Want to browse. Okay, so basically as this checking, so when you browse, you're gonna go into my computer, and click this CD drive D here, go into sources and click the boot.wim, click open, and gonna hit next. Click next on this, next, and as you can see it's adding the boot image. So I'll cut back when this is also finished. Alright, so as you can see the operation here is completed. We just want to hit finish, and basically we're going to do the same thing for install images, and I add an install image. That's not. Okay, my bad. So we're gonna install image, show, click next. You basically want to do the same thing. Browse, open to computer, install that Vim is right there. Basically, I'm just gonna do the Windows Server 2008 R2 server, the standard. You're gonna click next. As you can see, the installation is completed. What we want to do now is we want to go into our Windows 7 here, and we just want to shut it down. Alright, so for the startup of Windows 7, what I did was I pressed F12 and it gave us this little menu here. We're gonna press 1 for LAN and press start Windows normally, and as you can see, we are being logged in to the system. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Easy come, easy go.